ओम श्रीं गं सौभाग्य गणपते वरवरदा सर्वजनम में वशमान्य नमः।
My name is Manoj Kumar Jain. At the very outset, I would like to speak in front of you on a subject: how to protect ourselves from COVID-19 during the upcoming festive season. This is a very valid subject and it's the need of the hour, because we have to know the protocols and guidelines to be followed, and it is very much necessary to protect ourselves from COVID-19 because it's a very fatal disease. It's a virus. It's fatal virus. How can we protect ourselves during this festive season? We all know the simple rules which were laid long before by the government of India, but we forgot or we didn't took care of the protocols. I'll just give a quick reminder. We have to wear mask, appropriate 3-layer washable mask, which can be reused. That's why I'm telling washable mask. We should not forget social distancing. That means a 6 feet distance should always be maintained. We should always wash our hands and we should take care of sanitization. That means we should regularly sanitize ourselves. Mask, okay, no problem. We can wear it. Social distancing during festive season, it's very hard to maintain, but we can, if possible, we can also adhere to the rules and regulations. Washing hands can be done, but sanitizing not only hands, but the accessories which we are wearing, like watch, which we are carrying, like belt, wallet, shoes, specs. These are small items where we always try to avoid sanitization, or we are not properly equipped to sanitize. Lack of information is there. Whenever we come from outside, it is advisable to sanitize your watch, your belt, your wallet, your shoes, and your specs. It is very much necessary because the virus can come through these items. We can avoid large crowds because during festive season, during visiting the puja pandal, we can get affected because of the crowd. You don't have to fear. You don't have to worry. You have to enjoy the festive season, but with full protection. Because if you know corona, we will have no corona. I have used two words, KNOW, no corona, and NO, no corona. If we know the disease, if we know the virus, we can be on a safe side. Corona is a virus of a passive nature. we activate the virus, we invite the virus. If we take care, due care of the virus, it will not come to us. Proper hygiene has to be maintained. Safety and protection has to be maintained. As I have already said, avoid crowds. We should not visit the puja pandal during the peak hours. Moreover, we should always take care of our immunity, which is a vital part to fight corona. We should have balanced diet. We should try to exercise. We should have proper sunlight, because during these lockdown period, we were deprived of sunlight because we were staying inside, indoors. We were inside our home. So, lack of vitamin D is mainly decreasing the immunity system. I'm not saying that vitamin D is completely nil in our body, but the source is not adequate. We should take care of vitamin D also, and we should exercise. We should make our body strong, and we should follow the guidelines laid down by the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, the Government of India in general, and Government of Assam in particular. Don't worry, festive season is ahead. After Durga Puja, we will witness Diwali, Chhath Puja, Christmas, New Year, and the much awaited Bihu. The main function, the main festival of Assam. Don't worry, take care, enjoy the festivals, be strong, and last but not the least, I would like to say that beware of corona and be aware of corona. Because if we are aware and if we are beware of the COVID-19, then the situation will be favoring us. So friends, beware of corona and be aware of corona. No corona for no corona. Don't worry, we will have a gala time. We'll enjoy the festival. Thank you very much. Jai Jinendra.
सब्सक्राइब करें बाकीबाल स्टूडियोज चैनल को और बेल आइकन दबाना मत भूलिए और लाइक शेयर कमेंट करना तो बिल्कुल ही मत भूलिए। थैंक यू एवरीवन।